Hello and welcome friends. In today's guide I will show a method to fix the error, which has occurred during installation of Ubuntu. Many users are facing these problem, and also doing comments on my channel, regarding to this error. The errors look like this, and you are also searching for the fix on the internet. So first I am showing you, where and when this error is occurred, and after that I am showing you how you can fix this error. So watch the complete guide without skipping and follow every steps carefully. The most important step is first you will have to enable the legacy support. Press escape key continuously when the system is booting. Now press F10 key to configure BIOS setup. Now navigate to the System Configuration tab. Now select Boot Options, and press Enter key. Now find and select Legacy Support, and press Enter key. Now select Enable, and press Enter key. Now select Yes, and press Enter key. Now press F10 key to save changes. Now select Yes, and press Enter key. Now I am fast forwarding the next steps, because you already done it. Friends, this is most important steps. While installing Ubuntu, we have to create an UEFI partition. So follow this step carefully, without skipping the tutorial. Till this steps, everything is working fine, but
a few moments later.
Now this error is occurred, which is grub-\dsda failed error, and you are fixing it by using boot repair tool, and in some cases this error produce another one error while you're fixing it. So watch the next steps, to know how we can fix the both error. Now turn off your system completely by pressing power button for few seconds. Now again boot into the Ubuntu bootable USB. Now you selected the Try Ubuntu to fix the grub-\dsda failed error, and run the command to install the boot repair tool. Everything is working fine, but
a few moments later.
This error has occurred. The reason behind showing all the steps from beginning is to know what is causing. Now let's fix the legacy Windows detected error. To fix this error, first turn off your system, and again boot into Ubuntu bootable USB drive. Friends, this is most important step. Here you will have to select the legacy USB drive. Now our system is booting in Ubuntu, but at this time, our system is booting from legacy mode. Now click on Try Ubuntu. Now first make sure your system is connected to the internet. Now follow the next steps. Now, open the terminal. After opening the terminal, type and run the following commands. I am also giving the commands list in the video description. You can copy and paste it into the terminal. After typing these commands, simply press Enter key. Now again press Enter key to continue. Now it is adding repository to Ubuntu, so please be patient, it will take some time. Now type the second command. After typing these commands, simply press Enter key. Now type the third command. Now it is asking to install boot repair. Simply type Y and press Enter key. Now the boot repair is installing. It will take some time for the installation, so please be patient. Now the boot repair is installed successfully. Now close the terminal and follow the next steps. Now go to the app menu and open the boot repair tool. Now the boot repair tool is checking partitions. It will take some time, so please be patient. Now click on OK. Now the boot repair tool is opened. Now click on the recommended repair. Now the boot repair is performing some operations and checking partitions to be repaired, so it will take some time. Please don't press any key or don't close it. I am not fast forwarding any steps here, so follow every steps carefully. Now it is asking to upload the report to paste bin. Now click on Yes. Now the boot repair is performing next operation on the disk, so please be patient. As you can see here, boot is successfully repaired. Now click on OK, and follow the next steps. Now restart your system. Now remove the Ubuntu bootable USB drive, and press Enter key. As you can see here, the grub menu has appeared here. Now let's try to boot into Ubuntu. Now the 𝗨 system is started to booting into Ubuntu. It will take some time for booting, so please be patient. As you can see here, we are successfully booted into the Ubuntu OS. Now let's check, can we able to boot into Windows OS. Now select the Windows 10 from the grub menu, and press Enter key. Now the 𝗨 system is booting into the Windows 10 OS. It will take some time, so please be patient. I am fast forwarding these steps to save your time. As you can see here, we are successfully booted into the Windows 10, which means legacy Windows detected error is fixed. So guys, if this guide becomes helpful for you, then like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.